Welcome to JH. I gave HK Vital's collagen powder a shot, and the first shocker wasn't my reflection in the mirror, it was the taste. With flavors like orange, watermelon, and mango, taking a daily scoop actually became an enjoyable part of the morning rather than a survival test. It's a nice change of pace to have a supplement that doesn't taste like ground-up chalk or disappointment. The powder dissolves effortlessly into cold water or smoothies without leaving behind that tragic, lingering aftertaste we've all come to expect from health drinks. After a few weeks of this ritual, my skin actually started feeling smoother and more hydrated, as if the perpetual dullness finally decided to pack its bags and move out. My nails even stopped looking like they were made of fragile tissue paper, which gave me enough hope to actually stick with the routine. It's refreshing to find a product that delivers steady, real-world results instead of just empty promises and a lighter wallet. The blend itself is surprisingly clean, featuring marine collagen peptides mixed with a cocktail of hyaluronic acid, vitamins C and E, and biotin. This combination supposedly supports your skin, hair, and nails in a complete way, which is basically marketing speak for putting everything but the kitchen sink into one jar. While drinking hyaluronic acid isn't exactly a Nobel Prize-winning scientific breakthrough, the antioxidants do help slow down the inevitable breakdown of our youth. Many users report a noticeable glow with consistent use, and honestly, HK Vitals feels like a tasty, low-effort boost for anyone trying to maintain some natural radiance without needing a PhD in chemistry.